Okay, thank you all for learning these classes through the YouTube channel. Now I'm going to teach the question tag for grade 6, 7 and 8. Grade 6, 7 and 8. Question tag. Question tag is types of question which is a short questions that asks the questions and makes the strong questions. Question tag wants to know the reality actions of the person. The reality action of persons. It means here question tag question tag is of types of short question that makes the question strong. Question tag wants to know the reality action of person, whether does or not. So how to make question tag? So to make the question tag, first of all you should consider the auxiliary verb, main verb, modal verbs and subjects and so on. So first of all I talk about the auxiliary verb. So if the auxiliary verbs are in the sentences, then how to make the question tag? So first of all, see the auxiliary verbs. Is, am, are, was, were, do, did, does, have, has, had, will, would, shall, should, must, can, could, may, might, used to, up to, dare, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 1. Has had, will, would, shall, should, may, might, must, need, here, need. So if such types of auxiliary verb are in the sentence, then how to make question tag? So also see the example of question tag. Example, he is a student. He is a student. Here is auxiliary verb. is a auxiliary verb and he is the singular subject, singular and the masculine subject. So isn't he? Isn't he? If there is she is given as a subject, then isn't she? If it is given, then isn't it? Next example, he can write a letter. Then can't he? Can't he? Because can is auxiliary verb, so can't he? And you can also see the structures. Subject plus verb plus object, comma, auxiliary verb ab plus apostrophe n apostrophe t plus subject plus question mark. Subject plus verb plus subject, comma, auxiliary verb n apostrophe t plus subject plus question mark. This is the structure of question tag. So this is very simple. If there are auxiliary verb, then you can solve likewise as according to the structures or the examples. But if there are main verbs in the sentences, then how to make the question tag? If there are main verb in the sentence, then V1 done plus subject question mark, V2 didn't plus subject question mark, V5 doesn't plus subject plus question mark. Example, Ram works hard. Ram works hard. Done that. So what can be written in the spaces if there is just like a sentence Ram works hard. Here is not auxiliary verb. Here is main verb. Works is V5 form of main verb. So here for the V5 doesn't plus subject. Doesn't, and for Ram he is written. He is written. So he question mark. Doesn't he? If masculine gender, singular masculine gender is given as a subject, then here doesn't he. Singular feminine gender as a subject is given, then here question tag is doesn't she. If neuter gender or the things is given here as a subject, then the question tag is doesn't it. So you should consider just during the solving question tag. Singular masculine gender for singular masculine gender he, for singular feminine gender. C for neuter gender. Each. Sometimes in the sentence, it means sometimes the sentence begins with this or that, these or those. In these situations, how to solve the question tag? See the example. Sometimes there is this, that, these, those. Demonstrative form. In the sentence, then this is a book. This is a book. Here, this is subject. This is subject and is auxiliary verb. So, and book is neuter gender. Book is things. Book is thing. So for book, for the thing, it is given. And this denotes the book. This denotes the thing. So for this, it is given. Isn't it? Not isn't this. That's why, because this denotes the book. This is used for the book, and book is object, thing. So here isn't it. But sometimes this is Ram. This is Ram. Here, this is Ram. So this denotes Ram. Ram is masculine gender, singular subject. So here, isn't he? Isn't he? That's why, because this denotes Ram. So this is not object. This is Ram. So here, isn't he? You can solve like this. But these, sometimes these is given. These are books. These are books. So this is a plural subject. Books also plural. Here, aren't they? Aren't they? Or you can write also aren't these. So, but it is not prevalent nowadays. Aren't they is prevalent. It means it is written. Those are students. So, aren't they? Also you can write. Now I talk the vague subject. Vague subject or the vague pronoun. Vague subject or the distributive pronouns. First of all, what are the distributive pronouns or the vague subject? You need to know. Here are vague subjects. Each, every, one, none, all, everybody, nobody, somebody,